Yale mengine ambayo nimesema mumeyasikia. Na mimi nataka niwahakikishie kwamba agenda yetu, agenda ya Kenya kwanza, as much as it may have the challenges, our agenda is to revive the economy. Mimi nikisema niseme hapa ati nitoe hesabu ya yale tuliona, ya yale tulipata wakati tulichukua serikali, mtashangaa. But that shall be for another day. Because the debt levels, the debt margin, shida ambayo tulipata, shimo ambayo iko pale, I can tell you it is a very serious matter. Na tutoka kwa shimo, we must stop digging. And to stop digging, we will have to go through some difficulty because we have to stop digging and be able to revive the economy. And I appreciate the young people who are speaking. It's a tight moment. It's a difficult moment. It's a difficult moment, no doubt about it. But I can assure you that we shall not abandon the good cause and we shall not deviate from focusing on what is required. Hata ukiwa mgonjwa, you must take the medicine. And some of the medicine sometimes is bitter. Sometimes it's painful. But if we have to heal, if we have to recover from the illness, we shall have moments when we swallow that bitter pill. But Kenya shall stand, Kenya shall be united, and we shall all succeed. Mimi nasema hivyo, nikisema asante sana. I'm so happy to have been invited here, and I wish the people of Bondo, and more so, the ACK Church, all the success. And they said they want anchor tenants. We shall work and try and bring good anchor tenants for them. Asante sana. And now I am ready to also give a small donation towards this program. Bishop alituambia anataka sana to buy a generator that will serve this building properly. Asanteni sana. God bless you. I will also give my donation of 500,000 to support the church.